In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get OneDrive Link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a clean, shareable link to any file or folder in your OneDrive with the right permissions for your situation. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft's OneDrive website. This is the same place for personal and work or school accounts. Once you're there, click Sign In and log into your account. After you're signed in, you'll land in your OneDrive home, usually showing My Files. Navigate to the file, photo, or folder you want to share. You can single-click to select it. This process is identical whether you're sharing a document, a video, or an entire folder. With your item selected, look for the sharing options. You'll typically see a share button and, in many layouts, a copy link option on the top toolbar. If you prefer, you can also right-click the item to find the same controls. Choose Copy Link. This opens a small panel that not only gives you a ready-to-use link, but also lets you confirm who can use it and what they're allowed to do. Before copying, take a moment to check the permissions. You'll often see options like anyone with the link, people in your organization, people with existing access, or specific people. If you're sharing broadly, anyone with the link is the most flexible, but only use it for content you're comfortable making accessible to anyone who receives the link. For added control, switch to View Only by turning off editing so recipients can't change the file. Some accounts also let you set link expiration dates or block downloads for certain file types. Use these when you want to limit how long a link works or keep copies from spreading. If you're collaborating closely, enable editing so colleagues can make changes directly. Once your settings look right, click Copy. OneDrive will confirm the link is copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste it into an email, a chat, a document, or anywhere else you need to share it. If you don't see the copy link option, double check that the item is selected. And remember, when you share a folder, anyone with access can see everything inside that folder. If you ever need to stop sharing, open the item later, choose Manage Access, and remove the shared link. That instantly disables it. That's it. Go to OneDrive, sign in, select your item, choose Copy Link, confirm permissions, and click Copy. You're ready to share confidently and securely.